यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन इंजीनियरिंग चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम वीडियो देखने वाले हैं डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन टॉपिक का एमसीक्यू, जैसे मैं 5 यूनिट में आपको बताने वाला हूँ, 1 से लेके 5 यूनिट। इसका एमसीक्यू मैंने सॉल्व किया हूँ और इस ऑल एमसीक्यू में मोस्टली पेपर में आएगा और आंसर पूछा जाएगा। तो प्लीज इसको थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग और थोड़ा डीप में पढ़िए और इसको अच्छे से प्रॉपर तरीके से लिखिए, एमसीक्यू को रीड करके आंसर में लिखिए, ठीक है। तो लेट्स टू कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग द वीडियो। से देर ना करते हुए फिर से हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और वीडियो को अगर नए हो तो प्लीज लाइक और शेयर करके अपने दोस्तों के पास जरूर शेयर, ठीक है। तो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिफाइन द प्राइमरी गोल ऑफ डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन, द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ डेटा सेट टू कम्युनिकेट information clearly and efficiently via statistical different plots. Which type of data is characterized by the categories that have a natural logical order but no measurable distance between them? Ordinal data. Edward Tufte introduced the concept of data link ratio. What does a higher data link ratio imply about a visualization? Most of the link is used in the graphic dedicated to represent actual data. How you want to visualize the distribution of single continuous variable to identify the shape and potential outlier. Which plot is most appropriate? Histogram. In box plot, what does the lines inside the box typically represent? The median. According to the Cleveland hierarchy of graphicals and perceptrons, which of the tasks is the most accurate for human to perform? Judging position along with common scales. ठीक है. And according to Cleveland's hierarchical of graphicals perceptron, which of the tasks is the most accurate for human to perform? Judging position along with common scales. A data scientist need to show the correlation between a year of experience salary of 500 employees. Which plot is best suited for this scatter plot? What is the difference between exploratory and explanatory data visualization? Exploratory is the designer of to the find inside. Explanatory is the audience to see a specific point. Now, which of the following is common technique used in misreading visualization and to exaggerate a small difference between the groups? Truncating the y-axis not starting at zero. And according to Gestalt principle of visual perceptrons, and the principle suggests that element placed close to each other are perceptive as a group proximity. ठीक है, proximity. And this concept next MCQ. Which type of professional dashboard is specially designed to help a manager track and day-to-day activity respond to data changes? Operational dashboard. In the context of a visual narrative design, what is the primary purpose of the beginning stage of a story? To establish the context of the problem skills. A hospital uses a geographic heat map to track the initial state of an illness. Which state of the narrative framework is being applied here? Beginning context. You are designing a dashboard and want to ensure user grasps critical KPI within 5 seconds. Where should you place the most important metrics? Top left corner. When comparing infographic and dashboard, which features unique to professional dashboard? Real-time interactive filters and drill drones. An executive team need to make a quicker decision on budget material allocation. Why would you prioritize unexplanatory visual over unexplanatory one? Because they highlight why the data matter and provide a clear call to action. Which metrics would be the most critical to evaluate the success of the marketing analytical dashboards? Guys, इसका आंसर है relationship between a customer lifetime value CLV and acquisition cost ASN. In a business analytical scenario, how does the exploratory visualization differ from exploratory visualization? Exploratory is for discovering a trend, exploratory is for a communication specific intent. Which of the following is the final step in developing end-to-end visualization projects? Guide, document, and a presentation of insight. Which decision in new infographics layout? What is the best way to ensure logical flow communication? Organizing section with clear header, body, and footer structures. Next question है, which of the following is popular data visualization institute integrating interactive dashboard? Tableau. Which Microsoft products are widely used for business and intelligent data visualization? Power BI. Google Data Studio is mainly used for data visualization and reporting. The Pika. Which Python library is commonly used for lazy plotting and visualizations? Matplotlib A. And which Python library is built on a top of Matplotlib and provides an attractive statistical graph? BC and Seaborns. Which Python library is based on for creating interactive visualizations? Plotly. And ggplots are tool visualization library used in which programming language? R. The grammar of graphics concept is implemented in which library? ggplots. And two, the dashboard is a page described as a collection of multiple visualizations in one interface. Which features allow user to click on charts and explore a deeper level of data? And drill drones. And drill drones. ठीक है? And ठीक है? and which may map type most effective for avoiding size bias by using informed step like hexagons, hexagon map. And in network analysis, between a centrally identified nodes, act bridge between the different clusters. Sankey diagram is primarily used to provide volume between different state of nodes, which MLs visualize and explain the impact of specific features single individual sharp force plot. And what does an area under curve see? Classification, aggregated performance, and all possible threshold. And the science and UMAP are primarily